So, in the previous video, you would remember that steering inputs did not yield any results. I mean, take a look at this now. If I turn, oh, it turns. If I go that, it turns. Finally, we sorted out the problem. Turns out there was just a minor adjustment needed in the steering box. But the Bakkie came out pretty damn good, if I must say so myself. It's finished, and let me take you on a tour of everything we did to it, show you around.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is lift the canopy, remove the canopy. The guys, just okay, let's lift it that side. And then, just put a lot of gold there. Just maybe loose free. Yes. Around this side. Perfect. Right, so the canopy is removed. Then me and Nan, we're just going to go around the Bakkie and show you guys what needs to be replaced and needs to be done to the Bakkie. Right, fine.
Okay, George, let's do it.
First things first, let's start from the front, I think. Well, I think lights-wise we are quite safe. Lights looks, we'll just do a nice clean up here. I think what I've noticed, so the first thing that we'll need to replace is a flicker unit on the right-hand side fender.
Just the right hand side or right and left?
I think right and left. It's renewed. Then secondly, the two vents on the bonnet will need to be replaced. Make it because that one's got mirrors. We're going to replace both mirrors. And I think, let's start here, door rubbers. It's going to replace both door rubbers. And then while we inside, the interior is going to be refreshed. Plus the dashboard will be recovered.
Okay. What do you call these, George? You know. We don't know.
I have no idea.
The plastic
On the
thing on the side of the Bakkie.
side pillar, yeah.
Whatever that is.
Side pillar. So we're going to replace left and right on there.
Okay.
And then what we'll do is we'll replace the tail lights.
The entire unit.
The entire
both
unit,
sides.
yeah. I think both sides with new rubber casings around the unit, but that comes as a whole. And I think we can replace the corner units as well. As
Yeah.
the left hand side is not there. The right hand side we just replace left and right.
And of course, don't forget, George, just drop it again down your side. That rope needs to go.
Yes.
So
we put new ones.
New tailgate
Supports. And that's basically what's going to be replaced on the vehicle with new parts.
Okay.
And then obviously we're going to do a refresh, brand new spray job. So we're going to repaint the whole vehicle, and we will start by removing all dents. There's a small dent in front, and then there's a few little dents. But we'll go through the whole car.
Yeah.
Aku lainnya.
I think that steering wheel will be
Right.
top. wires there. Doei.
That's it, George.
Dash removed,
Dash removed.
so we can start fresh.
Doesn't look in too bad a condition.
No, definitely not.
Just needs
I
obviously.
like a good cover and a nice clean. And we are ready to go. That's it.
Okay, time to remove the seat. This camera is tough.
Yeah.
It's made for rough things. There you go. Let's see what's underneath the seat. Whoa! Yo! Sure.
Yeah, you see. They pressed it hard with the part, so it's gonna be difficult to take it out.
Okay.
I'm trying to see if it's gonna come out. Because it was supposed to have screws, so they saw that it's broken, then they forced it with the glue. Mr. Louis, also bona la. I pull. Oh, there it comes out. You see?
Well, hello everybody. I'm here at Oakcore in Midrand, where I'll be having the Nissan 1400 go on auction tomorrow. So I just thought, hey, you know what? Let me show you around the vehicle. And it's a pity that it's been, it was raining a little bit, so we had some inclement weather. So it's not as clean as I would like it to be when I'm doing this video, but hey, it is what it is. So let me show you around, okay? So as you can see, she is a beautiful little thing and came out superb. I mean, just look at that, I mean, come on now, you cannot but be impressed. So as you can see, cosmetic refresh. Oh, she came out so very, very, very nice indeed. Got the new sticker at the back, new number plates. Now that is impressive, wouldn't you say? And of course, new rubberizing. Yeah, very nice. That, by the way, that's the original glass. So are these. So is this. And the windscreen, I didn't change it. It's got watermarks on it. But I decided, you know what, anyone looking at a Bakkie and sees that this is a original windscreen, I think it will add some value to the vehicle. And as you can see, the dashboard, man, if you compare this to what it was, we all know, I said it many times, this Bakkie was rough, in rough shape. But anyway, let me show you the inside. Door panels, very, very good. The guys that do the upholstery work for me, they're phenomenal. I mean, just look at the seat. You cannot but be impressed. I mean, no pun intended. But look at the seat. It is absolutely phenomenal craftsmanship. I mean, this is, if you're proud of the work you do, I mean, you'd love if you can deliver a product like this. Of course, the dashboard, we know that it looked like some of, you know, old people's feet that walk in the water a lot, full of cracks, feet that need Ingrams and all of that. But yeah, we couldn't fix it with some lube or some cream. We had to redo the entire dashboard. So same material used on the dash as the seats and the door panels, which are in phenomenal condition. Another thing, of course, I put in brand new carpets. Yeah, it's a little dirty, but I mean, we've had some inclement weather, so of course I couldn't clean the car and do it justice. New center console, and then of course some of the things I bought: new jack, triangle, and wheel spanner. Service books are there, spare keys. I think this Bakkie really does present well. The only thing that I can hope for right now is that it sells at auction and it sells at good money. So I'd like to see around about 55,000 and more return for this vehicle. You know, it's worth it, pretty good shape, and compared to what's around in the market, I think I got myself a great chance. So see ya at the auction. Bye now.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a speciality in the house. Look at this 1400. 1.4. Hey, Papa. When last we saw something like this? This looks like it came out from a showroom. Look at this. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Alrighty, we got a lot number 471. I've got here 2005. 1400 Bakkie. You can look at this. It's in showroom condition. Right. What's the mileage, sir? 90. How you know? Okay, 92,000 kilos on the clock. 92,000 kilometers on the clock for the 2005, a 1400 Bakkie. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. This is gold. I got 20 grand to start me now. 20, I got 25 there. 30,000 now. 35 men. 40 year.
Okay, so I didn't quite see the money that I wanted to see on auction, but I do have a firm offer at 48,000 at the moment. Probably with a push I'll get 50k. So at the end of the day, I'm still in the green at that kind of money, and I'm quite happy, even though I didn't make the kind of profit that I wanted to see. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but hey, 5k in your pocket, it's better than 10 in your head. Anyway, have yourself a great day. Cheerio.